In this problem, two balls having masses m and 2m are fastened to two light strings each of length L. The other ends of the strings are fixed at the point O. Both balls are moved away such that the string becomes horizontal and balls are on different sides of the fixed point as can be seen in the figure. Now both balls are released and they collide elastically. Find height raised by the ball of mass m after the collision. Assume string do not break during the process. So, as the balls are released, due to gravity, they move down. They move down before collision. Each of them has moved a vertically downward displacement L. So, speed of both the balls just before collision is under root 2gl. With this particular speed, both the balls collide. So we have two balls of masses 2m and m, and their velocities are towards each other, that is under root 2gl and root 2gl. These are the velocities of the ball. In collision, momentum before collision and after collisions are conserved. So initial momentum is equal to 2m root 2gl I cap minus m root 2gl I cap. So initial momentum is m root 2gl I cap. This has to be equal to the final momentum. Let after collision, the bodies of mass 2m and m moves with velocities v1 and v2 respectively. So here from conservation of momentum, we can write mv1 I cap minus 2mv2 I cap, that is equal to m root 2gl I cap. Or here from we can write v1 minus 2v2 is equal to under root 2gl. Now, as the collision is said to be perfectly elastic, so their velocities of approach and recede has to be equal. So first, velocity of approach is v approach is equal to 2 into root 2gl. This is the velocity of approach, and the velocity of recede is v1 plus v2. So here from we have v1 plus v2 is equal to 2 root 2gl. So let us assume these equations to be equations 1 and 2. Now multiplying the second equation with a factor 2, this is 2v1, 2v2, and it becomes 4 root 2gl. Adding these two equations, we can write from here, we can write 3v1 is equal to 5 root 2gl, or v1 is equal to 5 by 3 under root 2gl, or it can be written as 50 by 9 gl under root, or it is approximately root 5.5 gl. So the smaller mass m has got a velocity under root 5.5 gl. As we already know that if a particle is given a velocity of under root 5 gl, it completes vertical circular motion. That is, it goes a distance 2l up from its lowermost position. As it can be seen that V1 is greater than under root 5gl, that means the particle will complete vertical circular motion and maximum height from its lowermost position is 2l.